In a typical listening room or home theater, only one or maybe two seats in the room are the ideal sweet spot. The one area in the room where all the sound from all of the speakers are equally and directly focused. Here, the listener can get the best stereo imaging, or in a surround setting, the ideal three-dimensional sound with the best clarity. Just outside of the sweet spot is a listening window. This is where almost all of the direct sound information is still delivered equally. The problem, of course, is that not everyone can sit in these areas. Most listeners are off to the side. Sometimes a listener can be almost 30 degrees from the sweet spot. This is what's called off-axis. Another big issue that affects what we hear are sounds reflected by the walls, the floor, and the ceiling in the room. All of the sound coming out of the speakers bounce off those surfaces and eventually reach your ears. And because of the different dimensions of the room, each one of those sounds reaches the listener's ears at different moments in time and from different directions. And this is why Infinity loudspeakers are designed so that all these reflections don't muddy the audio, but combine all of those reflections harmoniously to create a clear picture anywhere in the room. To ensure Infinity's speakers sound good anywhere in the room, a device called a waveguide is used. The tweeters are installed inside the waveguides. This allows the engineers to match the directivity of the tweeter to the directivity of the mid-range or woofer. Waveguides smooth out the high frequencies and expand the listening window. And this means everyone in the room hears great presence, great imaging, great sound.